Hello, welcome to our channel where we share scientific innovations. Please don't forget to like the video. The effects of gastronomic experience and food image towards the gastronomic products of local tourism on the intention to eat local foods. The case of Hatay, abstract. Destinations offer various tastes to visitors as tourism products. Experiencing these delicacies is considered necessary for the tourist's travel motivation. Tourists travel to these destinations to increase their travel motivations and to have unique gastronomic experiences. In this sense, this study aims to determine the effects of gastronomic experience and food image on the individual's intentions to eat Hatay's local foods. In this context, data of the study was collected from 371 individuals who had gastronomic experiences in the province of Hatay using the survey technique. Structural equation modeling, SEM, was used to analyze the data. In this context, validity, reliability, and path analyses were performed. As a result of the path analysis, it was concluded that gastronomic experience and food image have significant impacts on the intention to eat local foods.
Please subscribe and like the video.